Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to do the configuration of the so instead of saying much, these are the configuration which we're going to be doing in today's tutorial. So I've already opened up my packet tracer and I've put the icons there. So now what is needed now is to put the IP addresses like I've showed you in the PDF. So PC1, we're going to have IP 192.162.1.2. Then we're going to have PC2 there, then the switch IP address is going to be this. And for the router, the PC, the router IP address will be 2.1, and for our server it's going to be 2.2. So when we're done here, we have to configure these manually. So now, because at times you may make a mistake, you want to change, so you have to configure them. As you can see, when you do like this, you check, you find all the statuses are down. So we'll connect them. We'll just use a straight cable, automatic cable to connect them. PC2 to the switch to the router, and the router to the server, to our server. Okay, much better. So this is going to connect as it goes. So now we have to configure this PC. If you run this command here, IP config, see there's nothing, no IP address, no MAC address, nothing here. So I have to configure this. I come here, IP config, put the gateway, this 1.2 where the switch is. Then when we close this, come back to our command prompt. When we type again IP config, enter, find here we have, this is our IP address, subnet mask, and our gateway. If we compare here, there was nothing, so here we are good. Close that, configure the other PC2. Step 3, same gateway 1. So now when they're green like this, you can even test a ping test to check if there's communication between PC1 and PC2. So now we're in PC1 and PC2. This is PC2 and PC1. So say ping 192.168.1.2, enter. So now we are receiving the replies. That means there's communication between these two. But now here you have to press here, just put your pointer so that it shows you what's supposed to be connected from here to the router, the switch and the router and the like. Even here you just point, it's going to pop up. When you come to the router, you make the configuration from the router. So here, for you not to make mistakes, you have to be careful so that you see this and that. So here we have gigabyte 0.0, which is this cable here going to the switch. So we're going to click there, then we're going to give it the IP address, this IP address there, here. You see, click, which is 1.1. And subnet mask, and you have to switch on. And you come here, this is giga 0.1, which is this one here. So here we're going to put the IP address of the router. .2.1 subnet mask, same thing, say okay. Then there you see the connection here one time, here is still connecting, and we close. So we come here, we have to configure even the same our save as 2.2 subnet mask, just like that. Our gateway here is 2.1. Then we are done here, and we can now configure the services here. We're talking about the mail server. So we come here, we're going to write the common one, google.com. Then we say set. These services have to be on, these two services. Then here we say John, password for John is 1234. Then next we can say Mary, password 1234. We set, and we can close this. There we are done. So we come here now. So we're going to say, as you can see, it's connected here. You can say configure here and now save as well. So this one we're going to call it John. So username John. The mail address will be John at google.com. It's 2.2. Say username, say John, password 1234. We save. Then here, this is Mary. Configure this one as well. Say Mary. Email Mary at google.com. Okay, say Mary, password 1234. We say set. You can say compose. Say we're sending to John at google.com. Yeah, correct. And you say message test mail search. Say hello. Then you say send. So you see here it says successful. Then we close this one. We check for PC2. Okay. And check here. Oh, no, we're sending from PC2, so we check from PC1. There it goes. Check. You have the message. Then you can also reply from here. Say hi. Then you send. When you send, you check it. Check here, you say receive. There it goes. You have a message. There's hello, the first one from Mary, hello, and the reply there. So this is how you configure. See you in the next other video which I'll make. So this is what we have done.